Welcome back to Adi Quanta. It's time to test your knowledge. 20 general knowledge quizzes. Are you ready? Let's start. Which continent covers the most land area? A. Africa. B. Asia. C. Europe. Your correct answer is B. Asia. What is the world's smallest continent? A. Europe. B. Antarctica. C. Australia. Your correct answer is C. Australia. How many countries exist on Earth? A. 195. B. 193. C. 200. Your correct answer is A. 195. What is the biggest desert on the planet? A. Sahara. B. Gobi. C. Antarctic Desert. Your correct answer is C. Antarctic Desert. Which ocean covers the largest area? A. Pacific Ocean. B. Atlantic Ocean. C. Indian Ocean. Your correct answer is A. Pacific Ocean. What is the world's longest river called? A. Amazon. B. Nile. C. Yangtze. Your correct answer is B. Nile. Which country has the largest population? A. China. B. USA. C. India. Your correct answer is C. India. Which country occupies the most land? A. China. B. Russia. C. Canada. Your correct answer is B. Russia. What is the tiniest country on Earth? A. Vatican City. B. Monaco. C. Maldives. Your correct answer is A. Vatican City. Which country drinks the most coffee? A. Brazil. B. Finland. C. Italy. Your correct answer is B. Finland. Which country has no rivers at all? A. Saudi Arabia. B. UAE. C. Oman. Your correct answer is A. Saudi Arabia. Which country is famous for cutting-edge technology? A. Japan. B. South Korea. C. Germany. Your correct answer is B. South Korea. Which country is the biggest oil exporter? A. USA. B. Russia. C. Saudi Arabia. Your correct answer is C. Saudi Arabia. Which country shares borders with 14 countries? A. China. B. India. C. Russia. Your correct answer is A. China. Which country is also considered a continent? A. Europe. B. Australia. C. Africa. Your correct answer is B. Australia. Which country owns the most islands? A. Indonesia. B. Sweden. C. Philippines. Your correct answer is B. Sweden. What is the deepest ocean trench on Earth? A. Tonga Trench. B. Mariana Trench. C. Java Trench. Your correct answer is B. Mariana Trench. What food is eaten the most worldwide? A. Wheat. B. Rice. C. Corn. Your correct answer is B. Rice. What fruit is most commonly consumed globally? A. Apple. B. Mango. C. Banana. Your correct answer is C. Banana. Which currency is used the most around the world? A. Euro. B. Yen. C. Dollar. Your correct answer is C. Dollar.
Well done. How many did you get right? Share your score in the comments below. If you enjoyed the challenge, subscribe to Adi Quanta for more general knowledge quizzes. Keep learning, keep winning. See you in the next challenge.